washing ground turkey?
You wash all your meat. All your meats you should wash.
At least rinse it at minimum.
So you rinse it. I've never rinsed it. Take it straight out of the package and just cook it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no.
God.
Oh, no.
I've never gotten sick.
I think I have a tapeworm right here.
Like, nobody's ever gotten sick.
Like,
that's not the point, Vanessa.
Like, I hear you guys, but I've never done that, and like, we've never gotten sick. In all
seriousness, and I
came to your house for Thanksgiving.
Oh, in all seriousness.
Remember, I was at your house for Thanksgiving. Was it at Thanksgiving that I was at your house?
No,
it wasn't Thanksgiving. Thank God.
No, it was October. So
it was
well, at least that I knew of. Seriously though.
No, it was October. Yeah.
At minimum, do that. And just keep lemons and limes if you want to do that, and wash it, and then just rinse it off with lukewarm water, and tap it. Pat it down. Yep. And then
Trisha's right. No. All jokes aside, Trisha's right. You should, and doctors say this. You should always, because
it'll taste better too. You'll notice the difference in the taste if you do it as well. Particularly fish. If you do fish as well, wash it with lemon juice. That is the best thing to do. It'll get that fishy smell, taste, all of that out, and it'll be the best fish you've ever had.
No, regardless, wash any type of
just wash your shit. Just wash it.
Period.
Wash it.
I've never.
No, you should not wash raw meat before cooking, because it can spread bacteria to your sink, countertops, and other surfaces.
No, screw your sink, because you can wash
the internal temperature is the only way to kill bacteria on meat.
Yes, that's the second layer. And you can wash your sink when you're done, right? Because that's what you're supposed to do anyway.
Whoa.
I wash my sink all the time.
Wait.
That's pretty funny that the AI says, no, you should not wash.
But the AI
don't know shit.
No. AI is thinking that you're supposed to, what do you call it? Put your meat in the sink and wash it in the sink. No, you put it in a bowl.
Put it in a bowl.
You put it in a bowl, and then you wash it within the bowl. Empty that water.
Obviously, I know how to not contaminate meat with other foods. Like, I definitely
know.
Yeah, but even you're washing your sink. So, and I deep clean mine after doing any types of meats or.
Here's the bottom line. The bottom line is Black people wash their food.
No, I know it does say. So look, no, here's another thing. Washing meat is cultural, but it does say mandatory, because it says even though the USDA does not recommend washing raw poultry, beef, lamb, pork, or fish.
Not this USDA, huh?
This says it's so it's the USDA, but like it's still I'm trying to I can't be not washing.
I
guess it is cultural. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I say, and I mean
I inherited washing meat
folks.
from my Belizean Nigerian family. So it's, I guess, but so.
Always wash your meat.
We will need.
Always.
So come on, listeners and viewers, give us do you wash your meat?
No. I'm gonna tell it. All Black people wash their meat.
No, but she's asking viewers to ask, do you actually wash
somebody's gonna be mad at me, but I don't care. I'm always gonna wash my meat.
Well then we both of us are gonna die on that
sword. Mad at you for washing your meat?
They're not gonna be mad at you. Yeah.
Cheers to that one, because I ain't never
anyone that's had my food realizes how good it is.
Yeah.